Now the next point in the organization is a culture. Okay, thaqafa. Okay, culture. So how this is like, is it good or bad, or it's helpful, not helpful? So now we will see that what are the factors in organization culture over there. So it encompasses set of assumptions that define goal and the product over there. Okay, so what product the organization should produce over there, so how and where it should be produced over there, for whom the product should be produced over there. So maybe powerful unifying force as well as restraint on the change over there. Okay. So sometime if you want to produce something, okay, products over there, so how it should be produced. So you have to see the culture accordingly. What product according to the culture should be the organization should produce over there. Okay, so if you are producing something like for example which is not supported by the culture in organization, so they will not buy it over there. For example, if you want to sell the tasbih and musalla in China, so they will not buy it because they are not Muslim over there, right? So you have to see those things, the products which is more sellable over there in an organization, in the culture over there, right? Similarly, if like for example the Chinese want to sell some haram products in a Middle East over there, it will not be sold over there. Why? Because the culture is not supported over there, right? So similarly, in vice versa, in Europe also, so you have to maybe the religious products might not be sold that much successfully, or if you want to some products which is relevant to the different areas over there, which people don't know about that one, new products, new fruits, new things over there, so they will not come to that one. There are two kind of one is inside the organization, what culture they are following over there, what is the methods and there. But well, you have to also see the external culture when you are producing your product over there. Okay, so culture is an assumption, okay, set of assumption, see, that define goals and the product over there, right? So you have to see what are the assumptions over there. Okay, so what products the organization should produce. Okay, so it depends the culture over there, the organization culture, what is the culture inside these points are the culture inside the organization over there, right? And they say how and where it should be produced. Now second is that they say how and where it should be produced, and for whom the product. So whom means the people over there, so you have to check the people, see. So this is the third point, is focusing on the people over there, for whom the product should be produced over there, right? So when you say whom, so it means human people. So people are different culture over there, internationally, nationally over there, so accordingly you have to think over there. So these 2 points is about the internal culture, that what products you want to produce and how and where you should produce it. Okay, second is about for whom the product should be produced over there. So maybe powerful unifying force. Okay, so it can be unifying force as well as a restraint on the change over there, right? So sometimes some culture are supportive with the means the organization culture are supportive for the change over there, but sometimes the organizational culture are not supportive, they don't let you go for the change over there. So the restraint means hurdle, obstacle over there again, okay, on the change. Because if there is no change in the organization, with the passage of time, the organization gonna destroy over there. So you might have seen that the Microsoft get changing, the Google get changing, the CEO changes over there. Even the Microsoft CEO is not is a Bill Gates now. They're changing over there. He has shares on that one. Google CEO is Indian over there. The what do you call it? Adobe CEO is also foreigners, or it's not like American, pure American or so. There is changes. Culture is changing over there, right? So and the structure is changing. New products are changing over there. So you have to. There is a for example, it can be a powerful force or it can be a restraint on change over there.